A man stands before a judge, charged with a fatal wrong-way crash while intoxicated at 3 times the legal limit. But this is more than a DUI case. It's the story of a 62-year-old man with zero income, no retirement, and a life filled with recent, unimaginable personal tragedy. This is a hearing that exposes a full human disaster. Watch as the court tries to unravel how someone with nothing, who has lost everything, can possibly navigate this legal nightmare.
He was bonded out.
You're Daniel Rowley
Yes, sir.
in 23-41596. How many cases does he have?
Just one, no. Yes, sir.
I do understand that there's a warrant out for him on something else right now. So still
I just heard about it today.
Misdemeanor case.
misdemeanor.
Is that UCW?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
So there's a warrant?
Yes, sir. Misdemeanor.
So you're not going to be, they're going to have to, if there's a warrant, you're going to be taken into custody.
Oh. What was doing my best.
Well, there's a mess here, sir, that
Sir,
you're going to
I
have to,
understand.
I'm sorry, let me say, there's a terrible mess. This needs to be worked out. A human being was killed in this event. Can you appreciate the importance of it all? You're going to have to muddle through this. According to this probable cause affidavit, you were intoxicated, 0.244. That's 3 times the legal limit of alcohol. You're going the wrong way on a freeway, on the overpass, and someone who was in the correct lane was struck and killed by it. So let's, get a grip on who needs to, get a grip on each other here and bear with us here because this has to get sorted out.
Yes, Your Honor.
He does have a scram device that was ordered. So,
Sir,
he does have a scram device that was ordered back in April to be
I
on
don't
this person.
see anything that pops up on it though as
No, sir.
any violation.
No, sir.
You have no, this is showing on your affidavit of indigence, 0 income, is that right? You have
Yes, sir.
0 income.
I had just purchased the vehicle in question.
That's not the question. You have 0 income?
Yes, sir. I retired to the country.
You don't have Social Security?
I'm picking that up October.
You don't have a retirement account?
It was all invested in the land. In the Jeep.
It's a yes or no. You're telling me,
sir.
I'm asking you what time it is and you're telling me how to build a watch. You don't have a retirement account.
No, sir.
Where were you employed your whole life?
I was my mother's primary caregiver for the last 2 years.
Before that, you're in your 60s, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's 45 years of employment time. What have you done for 45 years?
Last was commercial HVAC. Heating, ventilating, air conditioning, sir.
Okay. But you didn't have a retirement built up in that occupation?
No, sir.
Okay, so how do you exist with no income? I don't understand.
I live on my sister's property. She gives me room and board and feeds me. Yes, sir.
I think she also put up $100,000 in bond for it.
Is that right too?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been married?
Twice, sir.
You have children?
Yes, sir.
How many? I would know the answer to that one right off the bat. I'm sorry. Why do you
I have one child living at this time, sir.
Do you have any kind of medical issues? Are you dependent physically or mentally in any way? Or are you independent physically and mentally?
I take serotonin. I mean, like sertraline. keep my mind stable.
Why? Who diagnosed you? You have some kind of
already.
a mental disorder or psychological disorder?
No, sir. When I hesitated, when you asked me how many children I had, my son died a month before the accident. My only son, who was active military,
that's not my
committed
question.
Suicide.
That's not my question. My question to you is, you're 62 years old and you're 100% dependent. I don't understand. I mean, I worked when I was 16 years of age. I've worked ever since. Because it's just a natural tendency to be independent. But I mean, you're in your 60s and you have no income. You have no retirement. What have you built in your life?
Goodwill with my family.
Okay. All right. You still live in Burkeville?
Yes, sir.
What is the address there, please?
Can I step over here and get it for you real quick?
Sure. And how long have you lived in Burkeville?
Not long, sir. We just moved there about the same time as the accident. My address is 10342 FM 1414, Burkeville, Texas 75932.
That's 10342.
Yes, sir.
All right, Don. This is an announcement here.
Give us a few weeks, please. I'll talk to the prosecutor and see.
How many is 3 weeks good? Or 4?
4 would be better.
Fine. Get a resetting for 4 weeks here.
Thanks.
Here we go.
Yeah, release it.
Thank you.